Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly, delicious, quick and easy recipes. We have so much fun cooking together, and I wouldn't want you to miss a single episode. Your support means the world to me. It really keeps me motivated to bring you the best recipes and cooking tips. Today, I'm super excited to share a quick and easy recipe for homemade fudge that you can whip up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 3 minutes. This recipe is perfect for those moments when you need a sweet treat but don't have a lot of time. All right, let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These will give our fudge a rich, chocolatey flavor. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is what makes our fudge creamy and sweet. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It adds a lovely depth of flavor. A pinch of salt. This helps to balance the sweetness and enhance the chocolate flavor. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl and toss in your 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Pour in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is where the magic happens. Now, add a pinch of salt to balance all that sweetness. Pop your bowl into the microwave and heat it for 1 minute. This will start to melt the chocolate chips. After that, give it a good stir. You'll want to make sure the chocolate chips are melting nicely. If needed, pop it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and stir again. The goal is to have a smooth, creamy mixture. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely depth of flavor to our fudge. Mix everything until it's smooth and creamy. You want to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now line a small baking dish with parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove the fudge later. Pour the chocolate mixture into the dish and spread it out evenly. Smooth the top with a spatula to make it look nice and neat. Here's a little pro tip. You can add your favorite toppings at this stage: crushed nuts, sprinkles, or even a sprinkle of sea salt for that gourmet touch. Be creative and make it your own. This is your chance to add a personal touch to your fudge. Once you've got everything set, pop the dish into the fridge. Let it chill for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm. But trust me, the wait will be worth it. The fudge will be perfectly set and ready to enjoy. And there you have it, delicious homemade fudge made in just 3 minutes. Perfect for gifting, parties, or just indulging yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Your support is very much appreciated. Until next time, happy cooking. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.